My name is Adrian Tejedor. I am the science manager of Villa Carmen, the newest research station of the Amazon Conservation Association. Villa Carmen, it's a unique place because it is right at the base of the Andes, and it is the last addition of the chain of research stations that the Amazon Conservation Association has been managing for the last 12 years. The highest of those stations is Huayquecha, up in the Andes, at the transition between cloud forest and the grassland. The lowest of those stations is Los Amigos in the lowland rainforest at the base of the Andes, and Villa Carmen, which is in between the two, pretty much closes the gap of this extremely rich gradient from the high Andes down to the Amazonian lowlands. The research stations of the Amazon Conservation Association are located in the buffer zone of Manu National Park, so that they function as an interface between the areas of human activity and human impact and the core protected area of Manu Biosphere Reserve. At the same time, all these stations and the reserves they have around function as a biological corridor connecting Manu National Park to other protected areas such as the Maracaeri Communal Reserve, Baguaja Sonera National Park, and several other smaller reserves that in a way close a gap within the Vilcabamba and Boro mega corridor connecting a long chain of protected areas from central Peru all the way to central Bolivia.
So hi there, my name is Tim Billow. I'm an instructor on a course with the University of Washington. We're here at ACCA. We've been here for almost a week now. Yeah, it's been just a great opportunity to explore many different kinds of forest, which are also connected to the larger Amazonian ecosystem here, and I think that's probably one of the most impressive things about this area is that we really are in a wilderness here. From the perspective of a biologist, I think this is an extremely exciting place to work, and now could not be a more important time for doing some of the biodiversity research. Huayquecha really is a stunning place in the mountains with sweeping views down the valley out towards the Amazon basin. Every day clouds move up the valley. You get this continuous cycle of mist and bright sunshine, and it's really a fascinating place to be and relatively unexplored from a biodiversity perspective. There are still many discoveries to be made there in terms of new species and understanding what the species do there.
Oh, Huayquecha has been nothing short of a fantastic experience. It just provides this opportunity to experience this amazing biodiversity, these hyper-diverse communities on the east slope of the Andes, and the accommodations have been terrific. The food has been ridiculously good, and of course the birds are off the chart. We see them all the time. In fact, it was just yesterday we were just relaxing on our porch up at the cabin, and there was an enormous mixed flock that passed by. We didn't even need to get off the porch, and it was just overwhelming. So, you know, the birding here, in comparison to the birding up in the States, is otherworldly. It's spectacular, and it's been just a wonderful experience from start to stop.
Villa Carmen is a unique place because it is right at the base of the Andes, between the transition from the cloud forest to the lowland forest. So many species of animals and plants and entire communities converge in this place to produce what is probably one of the richest places in the planet for biodiversity and one of the hotspots for conservation. Research stations offer excellent facilities for researchers. We have extensive and well-maintained trail systems. We offer room and board, electricity and internet, a research library, workspace. So researchers can come to our stations and become or be maximally productive in the field. Our stations so far have hosted more than 200 research projects, from which more than 180 publications have been produced. Researchers have come from many different countries, from the United States, from Europe, and we have had a really significant proportion of research or researchers coming from Peru and other Latin American countries.
I don't take it.
Yes.